Sathyabama Institute of Science and Technology.
Welcome to Sathyabama video lecture series. Myself, Dr. A. Sathiyaraj, working as a associate professor in the Department of Information Technology. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss about the topic business analytics. Business analytics. Business means we need to make money to do the process of buying and selling. Analytics, we can apply any kind of mathematics or statistical or model on the data to extract the knowledge from the data. Based on the knowledge, we are going to apply the decision making in the business to promote or improve the business. The applications of business analytics are marketing, finance, health, retail, transportation and logistics. Regarding the marketing, understand the customer behaviors. We can able to understand the customer behaviors based on the feedback form collecting from the customer or doing any survey by online or offline survey. So number of things are there to identify the customer behavior that we need to consider one of the key point in the marketing. The second one is the personalized marketing campaigning. Okay, we cannot apply the same marketing strategy for all kind of product. Some of the product are used by male, female, kids and aged people. Depends upon the type of item, we need to change the campaigning strategy. Price optimization. Price optimization means we need to understand the current available list of items and corresponding price based on the quality, quantity. Accordingly, we need to fix the price, but we are not supposed to compromise on the profit. Then finance. Regarding the finance, risk management. The bank managers will do the risk management based on the customer historical transaction, based on the 5 years or 10 years historical transactions, the per month, the amount transaction or financial year transactions. Based on this entire detail, the bank manager will take risk and they will allocate the loan. Then healthcare. Regarding the healthcare, we can able to optimize the resource utilization and management based on the analytics. Then retail. Inventory management system is there. That inventory management system always keep tracking of the available stock in the shop, and accordingly it will give the notification to the manager what they need to buy and what is existing available things available in the shopping. But regarding the retail inventory management, during certain season or during certain peak period, we need to maintain more stock for a particular items. Example, during the festival times, the cloth shops are maintaining more stock in their shop. So that kind of prediction, which time the business will move very fast and which time the business will move very slowly, that depends upon the analytical. We can able to identify, and accordingly we can maintain the inventory in the shop. Then price optimization, similar like your marketing. The price optimization, we need to compare the existing all the items available in the market and compare with our cost to make the product and consider our profit. Based on that, we need to provide the optimized price. Then personalized shopping experience. We can collect the customer feedback through the customer care, or we can provide any kind of platform to collect it, and accordingly we need to change it. Then last application is transportation and logistics. We are going to be moving the goods from one place to another place. We need to provide the optimized routing in the basis of distance, in the basis of carrying the goods from one place to another place and intermediate node centers, that we can able to do based on the analytics. Then process of business analytics. The first one is the discover the business needs. Second one, based on the need, we need to collect the data. Once we collected the data, then we need to do the analysis the data. After analyzing, we are going to be collecting or predicting number of outcome from the analysis. Based on the list of outcome, we need to predict the required or find the best solution among the list of predicted outcome. Based on the best solution, we are going to apply in the business. Once we did this step-by-step process, that is a single cycle. After implementing the best decision on the business, we need to observe whether it is getting improved or it is getting down or it is slightly improved. According to the improvement, we need to do the same process again and again. If it is not satisfied, we need to do the same process again and again. If we are taking the example, discover the business, I am running the business within the district or within the state, I am planning to extend my business to the next district or other state. According to that, I need to collect the data. If I need to extend my business out of the Chennai, maybe some other district, in the district, what are the product available there, and what are the products and the corresponding product features, and like what price, quantity, and product moving quantity in the market. Like that, we need to collect the data, that we need to analyze the data, then accordingly we need to predict the outcome. If we are going to be providing the item like this, this quantity, this rate, so that kind of prediction we will get it from here and find the best solution, then we can implement it. So once after implementing, we are going to compare with what we are thought and started to do this process. Once it is matched, we will stop here. If it is not matched or reach the target, then again we will do the same operation again and again. Types of business analytics. In this particular 3 types based on the level of analytics and based on the requirement, goal. They are categorized: descriptive analysis, predictive analysis, prescriptive analysis. Regarding the descriptive analysis, whatever happened in our business based on the past data, we are trying to understand based on the descriptive analysis. Descriptive analysis focus on understanding what has happened in the past. The primary goal of descriptive analysis is to provide insight into the past performance. It will identify the trends, patterns, and outliers. So example, if you are taking the pattern identification or trends identification, trends we can take the directly Nokia phone. Once the market is changed the environment into the normal phone, into the Android phone, the Nokia thought that they are providing the high quality voice communication and a very strong phone, and they don't want to adapt to the current technology. That is the reason they went out of the market. That is the identifying the trends, current trends of the market. Then patent. Last year, the government of Tamil Nadu provided 1,000 buses from city to outside, and this year they plan to provide increase maybe 1,200, 300 based on number of data. Then coming to the example, we can fix the key performance indicator. Accordingly, we can track our business. Similar thing. Maybe I said regarding the transportation department in Tamil Nadu government, they used to provide 1,000 buses, 2,000 buses, some quantity of buses they used to provide. That based on the previous year, they will fix some target to increase number of buses, and accordingly they will provide the services. That is the key performance indicator. Maybe if you are taking the car company, the last year they sold 2,000 car or 10,000 car. According to their product improvement, maybe change the features and added some additional feature based on the customer feedback. Like that, they changed and upgraded their car. Accordingly, they can fix and increase certain quantity. They can fix the key performance indicator. Once the year started, from the day one, they need to keep track, the compare with the previous year data. Maybe up to first month, the 1,000 cars sold, the second month, 2,000 cars sold. Like that means, accordingly, we need to keep track. Then only we can able to achieve the proper goal in the business. Second one, trend analysis. Already said regarding the Nokia phone. Third one is data visualization. Olden days business, they did it like a number of lakhs like that. But nowadays business, if you are taking the online platform like Flipkart, Amazon, they are doing each and every day lakhs and lakhs of transaction. In that lakhs and lakhs of transaction, we cannot identify the proper data. So for those list of data, if you are make it as a visualization format, then each and every one can understand very easily. So that is the data visualization. We can make the entire year data, week data, day data in a graphical format, graphs or charts or dashboards, then we can able to understand very easily. The next one is the drill down analysis. Once we have the data in a different dimension, if you are doing analysis in depth and properly elaborating the analysis, we can able to extract more knowledge from the data. So that is what the drill down analysis, to explore the data at the different level of details. Then second type of data analytics in the business analytics is predictive analysis. The previous one, we try to understand what was happened in the existing business. But here, based on the existing business data, we are going to be predicting what is going to be happen. The real time example is trading, market trading. Okay, so they used to be predict this particular company share will increase up to $20 or $10 or 2000 rupees. They will predict something based on the predictive analysis, So what here we are doing is, based on the historical information, we will do the analysis and we will collect some predictive information or knowledge. Based on that, we will predict the future outcome based on the historical data and statistical model. So for this kind of operation, we are using the machine learning, data mining, statistical model to forecast the trends or patterns. Okay, to forecast the trends and patterns and how the market is going to be behave in upcoming days or upcoming weeks based on this particular technique. Example for the predictive analysis includes the demand forecasting, sales forecasting, risk assessment. Then last type is prescriptive analysis. So here we are going to be recommending the business people what they need to do to promote or increase the profit in their business. For that one, example is resource allocation optimization, price optimization, supply chain optimization, treatment recommendation in the healthcare. As a human being, doctor may or may not be predict properly based on the historical data. Sir, there is a single doctor is there. They used to be handle every day 10 to 20 or 30 some numberable count of patient only. If you are taking the historical data for the hospital or for the state, we have more detailed information. Based on that, the treatment recommendation for the healthcare also possible with high quality of treatment. Regarding the supply chain, we can do the optimization. Thank you.